Yevos, how the PCS going? Going? Yes. Yeah. How are you feeling in the production so far? Yeah. How would you rate it from 1 to 10 and why? Out of 1, why? Okay, why? That's good. Uzogibela nawe epheteni kusani? Uzogibela nawe epheteni Shane. Phela
Sugoyezwa ngididi. Hey office. Sugoyezwa ngididi. Correct.
Straight to the point.
Sugoyezwa ngididi.
Okay,
let's make it as a joke. Indeed.
Oh Lord.
Because if it's serious, I get it.
Okay, we have the voice conversation usually around when except national it's my first time in my I'm telling you, I relax, I'm never gonna leave you.
Pindusho lo line, pindushleke. Bese ngiyahleka. Yabo umhleke uthi yini ubuza yona bese yabo.
3, 2, 1, action.
Lesimene sikanje abantu abathandanayo bajwayele ukuthi bazenze into ekanjalo.
No, I'm not Indian. Yeah.
Ayekho nomuntu.
LUS. Action. Inyoka isena mkhulu inyoka isatilele nangodosi imodi sololwane ngithole nesikebe emgaqweni inyaka ilesenjani kanti nanto isikhoke ifethe inyoka isena mkhulu inyoka isatilele nangodosi imodi sololwane ngithole nesikebe emgaqweni inyaka ilesenjani kanti nanto isikhoke ifethe vala umlomo uvula amadlebe usabalelisa umqondo ucubungula igama negama lendaba ngenaba kulolu daba izindalo zomhlaba ngiquba ingxube evange upside down enamahaba South Africa ishintshe igama ibisimbabwe ukuthi abombeka xa wesikhundla aretire esikhathi umongabe kuthona iplay ajoyina i-DX sokumdk aqala udlame ivele impila kahle idlame ileyo umnotho obuka imigwaqo kwedinithi ibhajo iphuma isinqumo esisha esithi imali yeqola ivalwe sidayisa i-ANC ithasimvotele igajo shift Parliament lakhiwe ngamshaye azaphe maximum yemphefumulo iphezulu umfunda dubule principal usuka winiqala uDesmond Tutu aphenduka icriminal sikaba lobembam dab stupid ibala Jimmy Scott shaye price 2051 shintshe fashion kube neklephili yapopwaya shintshe information uJesu azalwe leso fire shintshe language ukhulunywa isoko maya hubidi ikhombisana endlini inyoka isena mkhulu inyosi phansi kwisatilele nangodosi imodi ithololwane ngithole nesikebe emgaqweni inyaka ilesenjani kanti nanto isikhoke endlini inyoka isena mkhulu inyosi phansi kwisatilele nangodosi imodi ithololwane ngithole nesikebe emgaqweni inyaka ilesenjani kanti nanto isikhoke
ukugula izinto zonke zomhlaba ihlandekezela amaplate esephambene amanzi amafuthi esehlangene usamabinade noJohn Bush bebehagene bese sibona ukwenzile abalala imbeso ade ngabasasikhe bese sibaleka nembobo umshoza ahluleka uhlaba lingene uleka amangcwaba caca idaba kumhlabathi bese kuphuma umahlinzasi imino sezo ikhomba phansi ngonokhethana umfazi omnyama nokhansasi bona babuthi nophondlo nobenda fast enini vele kenzeka inkomo iyekela ukudla utshani khuduma makumbana kanye nemfuzo esitabana simbona inovolo pitch black afro nempungulo loyiso lomzambian abashade enekhuzu ijono sapositive ayibhoza qabula usuthu isport esingenatshwala kanye nemboza enomkhukhu yimini principal iphinde ngifundisa lothisha masifuna yozodliwa sijoje iqanda leGodzilla umfundisa khona libhiya wonke umuntu aphinde ukuqila umhlaba ungasajika nelanga liphelele eAfrika yo ukusilalendini inyoka isena mkhulu inyosi phansi kwisatilele nangodosi imodi ithololwane ngithole nesikebe emgaqweni inyanga ilesenjani kanti nanto isikhoke ifethe ukusilalendini
inyonga isenamfuthu inyosi iphathi kwisa esatiyeli nangodusi imoto ithole ulwane ithole nesikembe emgaqweni inyanga inesejari kanye nalesiqoki pheli i-bold generations ishintshane ngama-character ukhethiwa komurich ubroka shade nokhaphela kushintsha uhlelo ujomosono aqeqesha isibhakela umfundisi acela umnikela amakholwa athi uyasiphaphela kwangenzeka noma yini kusangenzeka noma yini amadlozi ahlatshelwa ikhindaka gayeni iwayini kuzwakale kumzukulu ebiza umkhulu ngoswayeni idola
DJ Go.
Calicious. Mangiflopa 24 hours wona lokho kukusindaphi ngishaya intombi yami umfuzi wakho umfimfisaphi ufika stage ugqoka umgomo kadoti ngayishaya ngey'tori ngidonse SPCA angethenya ngishaya iphansi lakhe ngekhanda lakasport ngibathi igqoka amafeke MCs ngepitokotela kagogo ngiflowe nawo ngashaye seyizwinge emoyeni ngesinakuboko ngicreative ngoba ungqoba umuntu ngebeni nephepha ngikuze future ngangidama istori ngangigija amarepha maybe ngisilima kodwa mhlawumbe ukuhlakanipha sovela mengiqoda ukumake-up ukhela ukhumalo ngamasimba kuthanda ngikakugxeka uphinde ungixeka I don't care vele ulembeza wami awudayisana usathane ngosuka last year kwi-nightmare vele ngiqala nengoma ngekorasi ngidakubhe yabo ufone nibesminof edesha ngesprite i-Andrex
Calicious. Ngihlele kuzorepa ngesulu mfana yazi uthini okungishayele ngesike manje khona ngizogcwala yizo lezo
but unexpected, call me Andrex, I'm curable, 10 times more dangerous than your Mandrex. Yes, it's true, they say there's nothing is perfect, but what you call a land, it takes the man down in 2 seconds. Bless them, I'm not interested, that doesn't work for me, I'm not possessed, I'm infected. Andrex, yes, I suffer from, I'm coping madness, but it's good for my health, it decreases wetness. Nowadays, everybody wants to be respected, I suffer from lyrical sickness, but nobody respects it. Yes, I'm nobody, but inside I'm a legend. Come follow, and watch me bring future to the present. It's me so tatala, stuff na protected. Who's be asking for other me, you cannot break that. Only I can break that. For now, just level hate that. Although I don't really care whether I'm loved or hated. And if you never knew, I follow that as my slogan. Ever since Robert Mugabe became my role model. Just sickness, nothing more, don't forget that. Take a deep breath and calm down if you are offended. I said, oh, you will see the channel. I know it's this. I will. Tatala. Me. Ngisiphothizele singatshele kodwa simnqamla juqu sowungahlali phezu kwami ngoba izokudestroy induno kube ngathi ukade ugijima ngezinqa emgaqweni oyibhuku uthi ungangixhameli futhi ekhanda ngoba izojeka induku i-Andrex uhlobo lwefisa amagama akhipha ubuthi angene ey'nqeni zesandasi afika abambe umothepha impunzi angene ezimbabwe ngenkani afika ahlisa umogaba isithunzi anqamule amagama esihlahla sakhe esathabela umthunzi ngivele amasosha akhe ngiwavezela iluzi ajabulave angibokaza ngibize ngobhuti i-Andrex yamagama ezintombi yakhe iphole pregnant ikhulele iy'gundane next day ngibe present